Hi, so here I am. I am feeling kind of creative. I want to shoot something, so I don't have a model, don't have much props. So I'm just gonna go for it, use myself as a model. I'm gonna use some props that I have here, and I bought some really cool material, and I've had it stored away here in my house for a while. I think I'm gonna use that as well. Anyways, come along. So today I'm going to use this handy dandy top hat that I purchased from Party City. I love the texture, I like the colors that, you know, the way the light bounces off of it. It's really versatile and super fun. I also got Polyfill. I got this from Joann's Fabric for about $7 or $9. And this is used to stuff pillows. So we are going to make this into something that's not a pillow. Using fishing wire to hang the clouds.